Well, it's here. And yeah, I don't think there's any frame damage from what I can see. I see the radiator bottom piece is busted, but I don't see nothing else in there. Fender messed up, door, but we should be able to be good to go. Light, maybe, I know it's a radiator, but maybe I got to get this open. Once I get this open, I'll be able to see more. But it's just,
it's not as bad as I thought we thought it was. I thought she was pushed all the way back and everything.
Then I'm gonna need this bottom piece here. That's gonna need to be replaced, but yeah.
Like I said, you can find a lot of this shit right out there on Growth Stack. That's where a lot of it's at. But then we seen that one that's right there before you get to Ohio, where they had a whole lot of this shit.
Yeah.
See, we can find one. I'm trying to look again, see if we can find this color.
Yeah. That's that. Oh my God, that'll be the deal. We can get this color. All right, kiddo, but we're gonna make it happen. What's up, BSG? So, welcome back to another video, man. Before we get started, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, hit that share, man. Do all that. Leave a comment, man, and I'll get back to you. Today, I finally got my daughter car to my location, and we got it. I'm on my way to it, and we're gonna break it down. She had a head-on collision accident, and now we gotta try to put this car back together. I've located all the pieces that needed so far, because I haven't broke it down yet, but the major pieces that's needed from the outside I've located, and I'll be picking up here in a week, and which is just painted the same color, and it's all OEM, which was very hard to find. And not just that, these pieces were so hard to find, they're coming from different parts of the country. So because everywhere I looked, it was nothing for A3. The only thing I was finding was for A7 and A8s. So now that we found it and we got it headed to our location, which cost a little bit of money, more than what I was expecting, and yeah, we're gonna hopefully get this car back together, and no, change that. We're gonna get this car back together, and we're gonna get it back to her, and yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'll pick y'all up, man, once I get to the location. So y'all, now we pulling up to the location. It's right here. We turning right in here. Yeah, we're pulling right up into it. Big warehouse area that one of our partners own, that he's doing a lot of stuff to it, remodeling. He said we can bring the car here and get it done. So there she be, right there. So let me get things set up, man, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so we out and about. My man right there, my brother, he's helping me get this thing done, so mad love to him for that. So let me show y'all guys, because I know you seen it on the intro, but let me show y'all here a little closer with the GoPro. As we can see, man, because I did a little research, it's nothing but torque tips right there holding this doggone thing here. And you got about a total of 11 in this fender, and you got torque tips holding this crap here on too as well. So as I'm looking, this thing here ripped out of here, and I'm almost positive. I'm almost positive, man, that there is no frame damage on this car. No, nothing. All this stuff here is cosmetic. Now, I showed y'all before that radiator is blown the hell out, but we're gonna figure that one out as well. But what we're gonna do here is right now we're gonna try to pry this fender open. I mean, not the fender, but this hood open. And then once we do that, then we can start getting these parts off. Is what we're gonna do. All right. So I know I said I was gonna bring you back once I set up, but I ain't even set up yet, man. Cause this here, when I looked up here, this kind of hit me. So I thought I'd just bring y'all along and let y'all see it. And shit, as I'm looking at it now, man, because all I really got was pictures. As I'm looking at it, and all this right, made contact right there, and yeah, we got to get this stuff off and and get us a better look at it, and we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. So we're gonna pop this hood open. Well, we're not gonna pop it open. We're gonna pry it open. We're gonna try to. Motherfucker, lock back. What the fuck? Oh, come on. My daughter gonna tell me
all that old prying shit.
Yeah. My daughter gonna tell me that it had to be pried open. Okay. So this light is blew out, and that's it, man. Ain't no frame damage or nothing. Ain't nothing moved.
Nobody told you this. It didn't like no frame damage. It didn't go deep at all.
Yeah. So guys, we got torque tips. It's 30. Can y'all see me? Let me bring y'all to my height here. I'm like, let me scoot you on up here in the air. So there you go. Now, this thing has torque tips 30 and 25. I have 30 and 25 torque tips. So we're gonna deal with that. This here, oh, this is the fender. This is the fender right here. So it looks like this stuff here has to come out, and it's already identified too. You got the VIN number on here and all different kind of stuff, but we got 11 torque tips all together in this fender, and we got 2 of them up under here. We had some right here, but that done broke off, and then we got 2 back here and the rest across the top. And seeing how that it's been dismantled per se, the rest of them been ripped out, so we won't have to worry about a total of 11. I'll recover the screws because we're gonna need them again. But we got this fender coming, we got this hood coming, we got, which I don't think I need, is the radiator support coming. We got a radiator, we got a headlight, and we got this front. So, and with all that being said, I gotta figure out how to take this front off, because I'm gonna have to take out some of this part over here, which I'm gonna have to remove some of this light. So let me get my tools. I'm gonna throw y'all into time lapse, and then we're gonna get busy, show y'all what we gotta do. Oh, my bad, one more thing. This tire gotta come off, man, because I gotta get up in that wheel well and get that plastic, because this plastic splash shield is broke as well. That goes to this, hooks to that. All right, so let's get to it. Man, y'all ain't been, oh man. Y'all done missed it. I thought y'all was playing, man. Okay, so look. We got all these out. We had to get the fender well out of there. We got that out. I still got to go on the other side, get the fender well out so we can drop that piece right there. Now, up in here, let me show you, because I've been out here fighting. Up in here, put it open. There's a screw right here. There's another right here. And there's one up here on the inside this door, which is a rubber piece I got to do. And right down here in the bottom down here, where all this here stuff is that I got to pull out, 2 of them right there. Okay. That's going to be us, baby. But let me show you this one on the inside. It might be 2 of them on the inside. Man, I got to, yeah, I got to keep up, man. I don't know why y'all keep shutting down, man. I know it ain't, I don't care about that for now. Okay, so let me show you here. This rubber piece that's right here, I gotta pull that piece out of here. So this here keeps that wind noise out of the way. So we gotta get that out of there. And if you can see there, that thing is right there. Let me pull that out of the way. So I'm gonna get that off. It should be, might be another one down there that I'm gonna get off. And yeah, the way I'm looking at it, man, the way they put this car together, it was like they put the damn fenders on, threw that seal in there, then put the damn doors on. So that means that you gotta take the doors off in order to get to this stuff. But I'm not doing that. I'm gonna get this stuff off here, man. I'll bring y'all back. So guys, so we doggone got the fender off, but let me show y'all this crap, man, because evidently y'all didn't, my battery died and I didn't know it. I had my back turned to it. So we got a couple of screws there. So we got one here that's on the inside here, one there, one there, one there. We got 2 there. We got 1, 2, 3, and we got a few more here, right here as well. And this piece here was bent down, so we're bending that back up in place. Too easy, right? Yeah. And then we got this here is for the light that we're going to take off. But other than that, that's it. And I still got to come across here and do that. And I got to take this tire off and get this fender well out as well, and do the same thing over here. But I'm not taking none of this stuff here off because I don't need to. All right. This here looks like might go to that light as well. So yeah. So like I said, man, my battery died, man. So y'all missed a lot of stuff, which I didn't know, but we're back on point now. So put these screws here back in where they belong, and we'll be good to go. This way we don't lose no screws, anything. Now, as I'm looking at it, some things gonna have to be tweaked, which is no problem. I think like this thing right here might have to be tweaked, pushed down just a little bit, but that's okay. And
Yeah,
2 go here.
Bit like shit. Right here.
Yeah. I'm gonna use these 2 down.
That way that finger's gonna fit properly.
Now the main reason why I'm putting these back in, man, so I have a reference. Even though I got a reference over there, I just want to have a reference on this side to where stuff goes. This thing here kind of threw me for a loop. I thought I was gonna have to do some crazy stuff, but I didn't have to, because you know I'm good for doing crazy stuff. But if you look here, I don't know if you guys can see. Put you right here. There is no frame damage. For anybody that's paying attention here, no frame damage. This piece here is aluminum. I can bend that back down. That's just a plate up under the bottom. I don't even need that. That's a splash shield. I don't even need that up under the bottom if I don't want to put it on. But I'm gonna put that thing, I'm gonna put it back on. It's got like 5 screws, 5 9/16 bolts that got to come out of it. And then the rest of them is torque bolts that got to come around, which already done broke out because of the accident. But other than that, it's okay. What I thought was a problem was this condenser. This condenser is good. Only thing I'm gonna have to do here, what I'm about to do right now, before I even do this piece right here, I'm gonna take this radiator out. This here is a sound cushion that's needed. Let me turn you this way. A sound cushion that's needed in that door, so that keep the wind out. But we're gonna take these these out right here, which I know y'all done seen me do this before because I had to do the turbo. And we're gonna get this fan out. Now, I think this fan's gonna come out a little bit easier this time. But I never taken the radiator out, so that's gonna be a new one on me. So let's get down to it. No. Guys, I'm not having luck, man, with this today with this fan. So before I tear up some tore up shit, I'm gonna call this video to an end, man. I don't know, it may be short, it may be long, I don't know. But as we stand back here and look, I done got everything off the front that was tore up, besides me getting this out of here because the radiator is messed up. But that's for a different video, y'all. So like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.